These plans are meant to be designed to make a parent better. And we know that there are cases that need to be put on child protection, but they don't need judgment. We bang on all the time about let's please drop the judgment. Please increase your curiosity. The curiosity will keep the child safe. Judgment will not keep the child safe. Judgment breaks families up. And it also doesn't do very well with the relationship between the social worker and the parent. Um, Laura says they don't like it when you turn it back to them, parent blame game. Um, and no, she said, that is the abuse and neglect and lack of respite, trauma, negligence by all services. They've all turned it on to me completely, and then they want to drop my family and send us on our merry way. Hell no, I ain't going anyway. I love it. I've got facts and proof enough to sink a Titanic on them, and they know it, but I'm happy to end this in a Supreme Court, which they're not going to let it get out of their remit. I will hold them all accountable. Do you know, this was me. Obviously, you're not me. But I took my case to the High Court and I won. And even though it sort of temporarily fixed a problem in terms of justice, I still don't have a clue how the hell it got that far. It was very simple.